Hey guys, it's Brian over here again, and today I'm going to show you how to program your key fob to the seat memory in your Toyota so that every time you open your door, your Toyota seats go exactly to your favorite spot. Step 1. Pick the key fob that you use and use it to get in the car and start your car right up. Step 2. Adjust your seat to the setting that you like. Make sure that it's perfectly comfortable, and then set it on the set panel. To set your seat memory on the set panel, just push set and then set 1 or 2 if you're the second driver. Lastly, you want to hold down the lock button and the seat memory button that you chose at the same time until you hear 2 beeps. Now to test it, we'll put the seat in a different position than we had it saved to, pretending that we had a different driver driving, and we'll turn off the car, close the door, and lock it. And with the key fob on us, when we unlock the car, we should see that seat go exactly to where we set it. Perfect. That's how you set the key fob to the seat memory on your Toyota for 1 or 2 drivers. So if you have 2 key fobs, you can pick which key fob you want to set to which seat setting. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.